Even how high the notes are, you still own control.
This is Francis Bondoc Licop Jr., 29, the representative of Mimosa Golf and Monte Vista Villas. During the audition, when one of the panelists asked me to sing a soft song, but since he's a foreigner, I didn't know that he understands Tagalog. I found it hard to think of a song na soft. So, ang kinanta ko lang, The Prayer. So sabi niya, wag na. Okay. I started singing when I was high school, which I'm part of our Glee Club then.
Hi Sway, first of all, I'd like to congratulate you for making it to the top 12. Your Mimosa family is very proud of you. Go ahead, represent as well, give it your best shot. I know you sing from the heart, and so all you have to do is sing your heart out and show them what you've got. Congratulations in advance. You're the second Clark Idol Quest winner.
Well, the song that I will be singing tonight is entitled Kahit Isang Saglit. It's my winning piece.
Give me an S!
S!
Give me a W!
W!
Give me an E!
E!
Give me an I!
I!
What do we get? Idol! Good luck, Sway, from your Mimosa family! Go, Idol!
Masaya. Masaya ang pakiramdam. Pakinggan naman natin kung anong nararamdaman ng ating mga judges. Starting off with Sir Juji.
Okay, good job. I like the presence. I like the emotions. I just wish there's less on the higher parts. There's less tension. Releasing the notes. It's kind of like bordering on a bit shouting. You can just make it more heartfelt with less shouting, more wailing than yelling and feel. I wish may isa pang modulation. Parang natapos kagad. I was hoping, kala ko may isang aring naman na parang bibili ko ng isa. At ako meron pa, sinang ay tapos na. So, kung may isa pa sana, mas dramatic yun. Just for the competition. Pero overall, I felt it. Thank you. Good job.
Thank you, sir. Miss Tina.
Ako naman, siguro, I don't know if it was the choice of song or the arrangement. Parang it was a bit dragging lang. I think the tempo was a bit slower than the usual. No? But you still did a good job. Tapos, okay yung recovery natin na merong munti kang piyok na pero you were able to turn it around. No, so parang, okay, so nasunod natin yun. So, you did a good job. Yeah.
Thank you. Ma'am Roxanne.
Hi, Francis.
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi ako humihinga sa'yo. Napagod ako, hindi ako humihinga. Hindi, napakamadrama talaga naman ang awitin na yan. And gusto ko yung buong-buo yung tonality mo. Aside from that, ano pa ba? Yun na nga lang, yung arrangement kasi talagang medyo mabagal, no? Pero I know, mas challenging yun alam ko. But you did great.
Thank you. Sir Jim.
Your low tones were wonderful. Thank you, sir. Yung gitna, I really love that part because I felt that, well, maybe masyadong matagal yung mga low parts. I was really waiting for the high part, and you delivered the high parts, I think, very well.